Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. I need to close my garage door before I forget, and I leave it open. I also need to plug in my phone because it's gonna die. Today is Saturday, November 2nd. I was planning on vlogging on Halloween, but to be honest, I vlogged in the morning. I went and got in shake on my way to work. I had a full mental breakdown in my car. I was crying. It was a bad time. And so I was like, I'm just not gonna vlog today. So I didn't. But, oh my gosh, what is on my door? You see that? There's like stuff all over my door. I don't know what that is. I just got my car back from getting the hail damage fixed, but I don't think did have to be on the inside. I like fully went through and like deep cleaned my car a week or two ago. So I don't know what that is because I cleaned that door and that was not there before. I actually need to turn the air on. I overestimated. I thought it was colder outside, so I dressed warm. It's only 44 degrees out, but it's sunny, so it feels warmer. Anyway, figured out I would vlog today. Me and Easton are gonna go out to eat and we're gonna go to the mall. I gave him sort of a list of what I would like for my birthday, but I figured we could go to the mall and I could see if there's anything else that I'd be interested in getting. I gave him like a birthday / Christmas wish list, and honestly the only two things on there were makeup and Bath & Body Works candles. So I figured I should probably find him some more stuff that he could get me besides just makeup and candles. And then we're gonna go eat. I think we're going to Applebee's. The last like 4 times I've been to Applebee's, I've puked in their bathroom because their food doesn't make me sick. So pray for me that their food doesn't make me sick. Normally when I go there, I get a Caesar salad and the pretzels with the like beer cheese dip or whatever. So today I'm just gonna try a salad and see if that helps. I've also got Alfredo there before and I used to love their Alfredo, and that's made me sick. So yeah, I guess we'll see what makes me sick, what makes me doesn't. I'll let you guys know, but I gotta go get Easton. I am back home now. I figured I could just do a quick little haul in my car before I carry everything in instead of doing it inside. So I'm just gonna grab my stuff. So as you guys saw, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings and saw Applebee's. I just didn't want to get sick, so I was like, okay, let's just not even. So we went to Buffalo Wild Wings and then we went to the mall. First place we stopped was Bath & Body Works. I originally was going in there because, like I said, I wanted to figure out what candle scents I actually liked before I told Easton which ones I wanted. So I figured that out. I found 3 that I really liked. And then they were having a sale where their small candles were, oh, that's that Target. They were $4.95 today instead of $14. So I got 2. I got a Twisted Peppermint one. Normally, Twisted Peppermint, I feel like this is going to give me a giant headache. Just a cute packaging, really cute. And so I didn't want to get a huge one, but this one smells so freaking good. I think I'm gonna burn this when I get inside. The notes on this are cool peppermint, sugared snow, and vanilla buttercream and musk. So I'm super excited for this one. And then I also got this one, cinnamon spiced vanilla. I have a big one of this in like a marble thing, and I use it as decoration, and I tried to burn it once and the wicks just like don't burn because I think it's like really old. I don't know. But I got this one just because I love the smell. Notes in this one are ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, vanilla bean with essential oils. So I got that. And then I also got a Twisted Peppermint little hand sanitizer to keep here in my car because mine is basically empty. So that's what I got at Bath & Body Works. Not too much stuff. They got their Christmas bags. Oh, look how cute. Little truck. Okay, and then after that, we went to Shields because I wanted Easton to find some stuff for Christmas that he liked. He didn't see anything he liked though, so that was kind of a fail. And then I went to Target and I got this bin back here. If you guys can see, I have all my swimsuits in a bin. I'll show you guys when I get inside. But I want to move my swimsuit or my fuzzy socks into that bin and then move my swimsuits into this bin and shove it under my bed just to clear up some storage. And then I have like an extra drawer to put like my shorts and stuff in, and so I wanted to get that. I was gonna check the price on that. What was this? That was $7.99. So yes, that is what I got. And then I also got a book at Barnes & Noble that I can't reach right now, so also when I get inside I'll show you that. Everyone in my family is gone right now, so hopefully I can get this all in. I think I can, but I'm gonna go inside now. So this is the book that I got at Barnes & Noble. I've never been to New York, but I just get so like excited and happy and like fuzzy on the inside when I see like anything New York. And I saw this book and I was just like, I need it. Gossip Girl is my favorite show. I just love New York. Someday I want to live in New York, and whenever I just see anything New York, it just makes me happy. So I saw this book and I was like, I need it. It wasn't that much. I don't think it says back here, but it was like $8 or something, so not even that expensive. And whenever I feel sad, I'm just gonna look at this book and it's gonna make me happy. So got that. So I carried my tub in. I think what I'm gonna do is start switching stuff. So this is a bin that I was talking about that has all my swimsuits in it. It also has some clothes that I still need to talk about in a video, but like all my swimsuits are down here, so I think I'm gonna put all those in that bin I just got real quick. So I just got all my swimsuits in the bin and it like doesn't close all the way because there's so many in here. I didn't realize how many I actually have. But in the summers, if you guys don't know, I have a lake cabin and I didn't go there that much this summer because I worked a lot. But normally every weekend in the summer I'm at my lake cabin, and so that's why I have so many swimsuits, because when I'm out there I just live in a swimsuit. So I don't know if this is like a common thing or not, but I have like a box like this one under my bed filled with like baby stuff, like my first outfit, my first like pacifier, like stuff like that. I don't know. And so I need to move that because that's a huge box and slide that under. I wonder if I could like put that like in a storage room or something, because like I feel like that's for my mom, not really for me. Just gonna make some room for this under my bed. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 5th. It's like 8:45 in the morning. I just finished getting ready for work and I have to leave here soon because I want to get Starbucks today. But my outfit, I have on this cute popcorn detail sweater. I actually just showed it in a haul not too long ago. It's from Dear Lovers. And then my jeans are just can plain denim. While I'm over here, I need to start my car. I need to do that. It's cold outside. It's actually snowing out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is, which is crazy. There you go. You can kind of see it if you look by the swing set thing. Oh, there goes my car. I'm actually trying to pack right now because me and Easton are going to a movie tonight and I want to wear comfy clothes. So I got some clothes in there. I'm not sure what exactly movie we're going to tonight. I told him he could pick. It was between Jexy, I think, and one other one. So I don't know. I'm fine with either one, so I told him he could pick. Before I leave for work though, I want to show you two things that I got sent to me. For the first one, Wake Up and Makeup actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me some magnetic lashes, and so I said yes. They sent me the natural ones. I actually haven't even looked at them yet. They're still wrapped up. I was a dancer, if you guys didn't know, and so I know all about eyelashes and fake ones, eyelash glue, and the whole thing. And so when they said magnetic, I've always wanted to try magnetic ones, but I've just never had the chance. Okay, I think they kind of got mixed up in here, but that is what they look like. I think there's supposed to be only one in each one, but there we go. I am going to be doing like a makeup video once I get my Shane palette in the mail. I actually didn't order it. I told my mom that she had to order it for me while I was at work, and so she had my brother working on trying to get it. They had like their phones going, the computers going, trying to get it, and finally they got it off Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So So excited for that to come. And then the next thing I want to show you guys, I actually used this morning, and it is from this brand right here. And it's a hair straightener. So put it back in the bag so you guys could see more what it looked like when it came here. But this is it. Once again, it has just the brand up here. This brand actually reached out to me and wanted to send me a heated blanket. And I was like, yeah. And then they're like, oh, we're going to send you a hair straightener. And I was like, that's even better. So this is what it looks like. It just says the brand on there again. And I'm super excited for this. And I used it today. I'm very particular with my hair straighteners, and I really, really like this one and how it works. I'm going to be doing a full hair care video. Hopefully that'll be up on Sunday. Not sure though, where I'm going to be talking more about this. So if you're in need of a new straightener, be sure to watch that video. But yeah, I'm just going to finish getting ready for work and head to work. So I'll see you guys later. It is so snowy outside. It's like kind of icy too, because before it snowed it was like raining for a day, and so there's like a layer of like ice under everything. Not good. But went to Starbucks. Last time I went to Starbucks, I told you guys you had to get an extra shot of, or an extra pump of chai in your iced chai to like make it taste better. Well, I need energy today, so I got a shot of espresso in it and a chai tea. So I got a venti iced chai tea latte with a single shot. So I'm gonna try it, and hopefully I like it. Yeah, it's still good. It just has more of a coffee taste, obviously, because they added the espresso. Yeah, I think it's actually pretty good. I'd probably get that again. And then I just got a bacon and Gouda breakfast sandwich, like I always do. And I'm running out of storage on this camera, so I'm gonna go and delete stuff.